So hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video I want to talk about changes that are happening to the Exmark Commercial 30 lineup for the year 2021. Now before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you click that notification bell so you're notified right away when I make videos like this. So as a lot of you guys know, I've been using this Exmark Commercial 30 S series behind me for the first time this year, and I've predominantly used it as the main mower in my lawn care business for the entire 2020 season. And while the mower hasn't been absolutely perfect, it does have its little quirks here and there. It has predominantly performed exceptionally well in most of the mowing conditions that I've put it through. You guys have seen all of the videos that I've put out of mowing wet grass, of mowing tall grass, of mulching, of side discharging. I've tried to show the mower in a variety of conditions, and it has exceeded my expectations in absolutely most of those scenarios. The only time where I've seen this mower struggle a little bit has been with the combination here in the fall of wet taller grass mixed with leaves, and even then just by raising the rake of the mower, that is raising the rear height adjustment slightly up, so either 1 or 2 notches above, and keeping the front wheel set at the height you want to cut at, it completely eliminates any sort of bogging down issues as it increases that airflow when you're trying to bag in those more extreme conditions. So recently I had the opportunity to interview a product manager from Exmark Manufacturing on my weekly podcast, and he revealed some upcoming changes to the 30-inch commercial series mower for 2021.
And then moving into some of the commercial equipment, you had mentioned that the Exmark 30 inches is part of your fleet.
Yep.
And what we've done there is we are adding a new model to the X series. So the S series will be going away. So all of the 30s will be the X series, and they'll have either a Cali 180 on it or a Kohler 220, and those both have the improved heavy duty transmission. So it's able to climb hills a lot better.
Okay.
A lot more durable. It's just a far beefier transmission than what was in the S series.
Okay. Very, very nice.
So behind me here we have the S series version of this mower, which has the Kawasaki FJ180 engine on it. In 2019, Exmark introduced a X series version to the S series version, which had a 200cc Kohler engine on it. It also featured a much heavier duty transmission, as well as some other features like a parking brake, and was just an overall better equipped machine to handle really extreme mowing conditions. The FJ180 here on the Kawasaki has been fantastic in almost every mowing condition that I've been putting it through, as shown in all of the videos that I put out over the past year. But I guess there are some situations where having that boost in power would be fantastic. Others have also complained about transmission issues on these mowers, and although Exmark over the years has improved the transmission, and I've seen no lack in traction or usability of this particular model, they did upgrade the transmission to a much heavier duty version in that X series model. So for 2021, what they are doing is they're actually getting rid of this S series version and putting out 2 X series versions. So they will have the same X series version that they introduced in 2019 with the 200cc Kohler engine, but you'll also now be able to get the X series with the Kawasaki FJ180 that a lot of people know and love and trust for their lawn care businesses. So basically it'll be just the X series going forward with 2 engine options, but both will benefit from the heavier duty transmission and features like the parking brake, etc. The only difference in options, or as far as add-ons, that the original X series, the one with the Kohler engine, will have in addition to the X series that will have the Kawasaki engine is that the Kohler engines, the 200cc Kohler engines, also include a long oil change hose that comes with the engines to make oil changes easy. So when you're going to drain the engine, it has a long hose that lets you empty that, where the Kawasaki's don't come with that. So that'll be the only addition that the X series with the Kohler will have, because it's part of the Kohler engine series versus the Kawasaki that doesn't have that. But moving forward to 2021, if you're looking at an Exmark Commercial 30, your only option moving forward will be the X Series version, and you'll just have to decide on which engine you'd like to have powering that X Series, the Kawasaki FJ180 or that 200cc Kohler engine. So there you have it, guys, the new Exmark Commercial 30 X Series lineup for 2021. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Exmark getting rid of the S Series version of the Commercial 30 and going to a all-new X Series only lineup with 2 different engine options. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.